Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp web using your computer. This is a new update, so the steps might be slightly different from what you're used to. If you value your privacy and want to control who sees your profile picture, this is a feature you'll definitely want to know about. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the left side of your screen. You should see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a menu will appear. Look for the privacy option and click on it. This section allows you to manage various privacy settings for your WhatsApp account. In the privacy settings, you'll see several options. Find Profile Photo and click on it. This is where you can control who can see your profile picture. Now, you'll see a few choices: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. To completely hide your profile photo, select Nobody. This means that no one, not even your contacts, will be able to see your profile picture on WhatsApp web. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your profile photo on WhatsApp web. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and control who sees your information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.